So today our topic is circle. In this we will study about the secant and tangent of the circles. First, secant of circle. A line which intersects the circle, at exactly at two distinct points. At two distinct point is known as secant of circle. Is known as secant of circles. So a line which intersects the circle at two distinct points, this is known as secant of the circle. So this is a circle. Now a line which intersects this circle at two distinct points, this is line L, which intersects the circle at two distinct points A and B. So this line is called secant of circle. Now next, tangent. A line which intersect the circle, at exactly one point. Is known as tangent of circle. A line which intersects the circle at exactly one point is known as tangent of the circle. Suppose this is a circle. Now a line is passing through it and touching the circle at exactly one point, like this, at A. Suppose at point A. Now this line is called tangent of circle. Now theorem 1. There are two theorems in this chapter. First theorem, tangent to a circle. First theorem, tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius. Tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is the statement of this theorem, like this. A circle. Now there is a tangent. Let the tangent is PQ. Now it touches the circle at point A. O is the center of the circle. Now OA is the radius. So given a circle with center O and radius R. This is the radius. O is R. Radius R. A tangent PQ at point A. So to prove OA perpendicular PQ, this we have to prove. To prove OA perpendicular PQ. Construction. Draw. Take a point S on PQ other than A. Take a point S on PQ other than A. Join OS. Let it intersect the circle at point R. Let it intersect the circle at point like this. Take point S, join OS, let it intersect the circle at point. Now proof. Among all line segment joining the center O to any point on PQ. The shortest line will be perpendicular to PQ. It is sufficient to prove that if a line is perpendicular to PQ, then it will be a shortest line. Now OS, we can write OS is equal to OR plus RS. It means OS must be greater than OR, but OR is equal to OA, both radius. It means OS is greater than OA. Hence, OA is the shortest line. So, OA is perpendicular to PQ. So, this is the proof. Because we have proved that OA is the shortest line, and if a line is shortest in distance, then it will be perpendicular to that line. So here OA will be perpendicular to PQ. So this is the theorem. Tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now next theorem. The statement of this theorem is length of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal like this. A circle, now this is a external point. There are two tangents PA and PB. So we have to prove that PA equal to PB. This is center O. So given PA and PB are two tangents from external point P. To prove PA equal to construction join OA, OB and OP. Join OA, OB and now proof. In triangle OPA and triangle OPB, angle OAP is equal to angle OBP, each 90 degree. Theorem is tangent to a circle, because tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius, is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Now angle OAP is equal to angle OBP. Next, OA will be equal to OB. Both are radius, and OP equal to OP, common sum. So by RHS congruency, right angle, this is hypotenuse OP, and OA and OB are the side. So by RHS congruency, triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OPB. Therefore, by CPCT, PA equal to PB. So by CPCT, PA equal to PB. So length of tangent drawn from external point are equal. Now from this theorem we can draw two results. So result 1, tangent from external point to a circle, subtends equal angle at the center. So angle POA equal to angle POB by CPCT. Now result 2, line segment joining the center to the point where the tangents are drawn, are equally inclined with the tangents. So angle APO is equal to angle APB, again by CPCT. So these are two theorems. First theorem, tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. And second theorem, length of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal.